every day, especially when the moments of low hit you, when the pain speaks the loudest, when your heart is consumed with darkness, depression, and all you can feel is the brokenness of you. Right now with me, I want you to see that your attention is being consumed by this. And even though it feels so real to you right now, I want you to know that's not the whole picture. There is so much more of you here. In fact, that pain that's screaming so loud is such a small, small part of you. And I invite you in this moment to turn your attention to see if it can step back away. Instead of being the person with the pain, I invite you now in this moment to step back away from that and be nobody, no thing. This is the place where we heal. I want you to feel and trust this space like you never have before. To be in that place just like I am now in this beautiful setting. There's infinite space around me, and I welcome that inside me, inside my heart, my troubled heart that has believed so much that I am broken. I am never going to heal. Whatever those thoughts, whatever those feelings are, in this moment, you don't have to be that. In fact, I'm going to encourage you to step back and not make it mean so much to you. As hard as that can seem, you have that ability, you have that power to step away from giving life, from giving your attention to it. And instead, join me in the space that is here, that's always been here, supporting you, loving you. Maybe quietly in the background, reminding you of peace, reminding you that you don't have to shoulder it. You don't have to carry it in your body, and you definitely don't have to carry it in your heart. So in this moment, could you let that go? Could you lay that down on the table, the floor in front of you? All that you've made it mean about your sickness, about your pain, lay it down, my friend. In this moment, you are one with the space, and the space is one with you. Keep tuning into that. The longer you allow yourself to be consumed by that space, the faster each and every day you will have an experience of your healing. And as you get really good at this, you will develop what I call the literacy of the heart, knowing when your attention's being grabbed by lesser thoughts, lesser feelings, and return back to the unknown of space, where you're rebirthed in the truth of what you are, a divine being, full of love, full of that potential to heal. I love you, everyone. May you always remember to come back to this space, even when it gets really hard. I'd love to hear from you in the comments how this goes. Appreciate you all for tuning in, and in the description below, if you need more support, I recommend grabbing the 7-day Pain-to-Peace Toolkit, which is more of this for you. Have a blessed rest of your day, everyone. Be well.